Johnny's got about just everything he can stand right there.
He does.
His Barney and his apple. What you got, Johnny? You got a Barney and an apple?
You got Barney? Yeah, you got a Barney. Let me see your Barney. Let me see your Barney. Oh, he's so cute and he turns. There you go. There. What's this, John? A bubble ball.
The movie?
Well, Daddy, I want to know what you think about your new ties.
I like
Let's see them.
I like the wild one here. Oh.
Oh, very nice.
Mama.
That's on.
Johnny, you see your toy?
What is that, Johnny?
Look, it's a calendar.
The batteries aren't quite charged up. A new one.
Two socks.
That's Daddy's, honey. What is that, Johnny?
Turtle.
A turtle? I don't know.
Thank you, Mommy.
That's a bug.
You're welcome, Dad.